Hi guys, my name is Keane. I'm from DIGIKIDZ SEMARANG. Today I'm going to make a presentation how to pick up an item in Roblox Studio. So you click the new experience and then you make a house. I'll choose this one, okay? Wait. After that, we put a plate here. I think I put this here. Right, so this is the plate and we are going to find the food you want to add to the plate, but wait, we use mesh pots so it can be taken by player, okay? Then search what food you guys want. Wait, I'm choosing this one. Right, once you're done, put this on top of your plates. Put this here. Alright. Oh wait, sorry. Wait. Alright. Oh yeah, don't forget to anchor the plates. Once you're done, you should do this. First, click the plus icon on the workspace and search tool. Once you're done, change the tool name into the food name. Example, burger. And you change this one name into handle. If you're done, now all you're gonna do is just right click on handle and press cut. Press the burger one, right click and then click pasta into. Right, so now let's test if it works. Okay, it works. Right, now we can make another food like pizza maybe. going to take this for an example. Oh wait. Oh, sorry, I moved the house. Right, move the pizza, move it down. Okay, now you use the same technique as the burger one. Sorry. Place a plus icon, door, and then change this one name to handle. Okay, then you change this one name too with the food you choose. Wait. Nah. Okay, so right click again and click cut, right click again. Oh wait, where's the pizza? Oh, sorry. Oh, we did press cut and then wait. Where's the pizza? Okay, cut and then press paste into. Yes, let's test if it works. Okay. It worked, guys. How about chicken? So I'm going to pick this chicken. Wait, it's too small. I think I'm going to make it bigger a little bit. Now we use the same thing as the pizza and the burger one. Okay, now we click the plus icon on the workspace and then click on the tool one, change the name into the food you choose. Oh wait, it's laggy. Alright, I think we're going to change this name first. Wait. Oh, it's and right. Press enter and then change this one name into chicken. Press enter again. Then right click on here, click cut, right click on chicken and press paste into. Right, once you're done, let's try the game. Wait. Alright, we got the burger, we got the pizza, and we got chicken. Right. So, yeah, that's how. Alright, so thank you for everyone, yeah, and bye.